Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a collective makeup haul. I believe actually it's just a collective makeup and some skincare haul. I did some shopping over the last few weeks for my birthday, and I also placed an order from Ulta maybe a week ago because they were having this fabulous beauty sale or something like that, and a lot of products online and in stores were on sale, so I decided to take advantage of that. And plus I needed some refills of some things that I normally use on a daily basis. If you like hauls and makeup hauls, skincare hauls, whatever haul that may be, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below, and also hit the notification bell so you guys never miss out on any of my future uploads. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and let me share with you guys what I received or what I bought from Ulta. And I think, yeah, it's just Ulta basically. So let me share with you guys what I bought from Ulta. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with the two products that I actually bought with my birthday rewards, and my birthday was last month, 4th of July, so this is kind of late. And one of them I actually took out of the packaging because I desperately needed this setting spray, and it's a setting spray. So this is the setting spray from Colourpop, and this is the Pretty Fresh Setting Mist with Hyaluronic Acid, and this is my second bottle, you guys. I absolutely love this setting spray. It's definitely my go-to. Again, this is my second one and it's so affordable. I think this is only $12, I believe, and it just sets your makeup so good, and it has this really fresh scent, and it just makes my skin look hydrated and fresh, and it has hyaluronic acid, so that's really good. And the mist on this is super fine. You guys can see that, and I absolutely love this. I love the smell of this. It's so good. But this is definitely one of my favorites and a must-have, so definitely pick this up with my birthday reward. The other one that I picked up with my birthday reward is this one from Essence, and this is my first time purchasing these kinds of blushes from this brand. I love Essence products. Their highlighter, the Pure Nude highlighter, is one of my favorites, but this is just the blush called The Blush. I got the shade Beloved. So this is what the blush looked like, and then I'll do like a little swatch for you, but it's such a pretty rosy pink shade, perfect for every day, and it feels so buttery when you swatch it. And then when you, I'm gonna swatch it in the back of my hand right here. It is definitely pigmented. You guys can see that. Highly recommend this. I haven't tried this yet on my cheeks. I'm wearing a different blush right now, but it's so good. I cannot wait to try this out. So let's just go ahead and get to the main haul, and this is what I actually bought or ordered from Ulta. Alright, so let's just go ahead and dive in. It only came in this little bag right here. It didn't come with a box or in the box. So okay, the first thing that I ordered from the sale was this one from e.l.f, and they were actually having a buy one get 40% off, and you also get a free gift. But I didn't do that because it was kind of messing up my cart. So every time I ordered, I put the e.l.f moisturizer in my cart and I ordered 2. It would give me like 2 of the SPF face cream, and that was the free gift, and it would stay in the total, not the subtotal, $24 for 2 of them. So I didn't know how to make it $0, or if it was just a default kind of thing, but it was messing up my total in general, so I just decided to just opt for one. But this is the e.l.f Holy Hydration Face Cream. So I absolutely love this. It is one of my favorite face creams, and it is so affordable. I believe this is my, I want to say my second bar or second jar, whatever you want to call it, but it's so good. Just gonna rip off the packaging because I totally forgot my scissors again. I actually just ran out of my Clinique Moisture Surge, which I'm really sad about. Oh, and I forgot that I also purchased something from Ulta, not from Ulta, from Dollar General as well. So let me grab that bag too. So we also have a few products from Dollar General, but we're gonna get to that in just a second. Again, this is the e.l.f Holy Hydration Cream. This is definitely one of my favorite hydration cream or moisturizer. It is very creamy. It is a little bit on the thicker consistency, but it's so good, and it smells really good too. So definitely one of my favorites, and again, it is so affordable. Okay, the next thing that I grabbed is, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my scissors because I definitely need scissors for this one. Alright, so I am back and I went ahead and grabbed my tiny little scissors right here. The next thing that I grabbed or that I placed in my cart from Ulta is this one from L'Oreal, and this is the L'Oreal 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation, and I think I got the shade Golden Beige. This is what the packaging looks like. This has been a big hype when summer started, and I actually was really wanting to get this when it first came out, but they never had my shade. So they finally had my shade. I guess when the hype went down or died down a little, they had more shades available, but a lot of shades that people would normally get for their skin tones, like the neutral shades, mostly were gone. So I had to wait till the hype unfortunately died down a little for some shades to become available, or my shade to become available. I actually don't know if this is going to be too dark or too light, but I just you know, winged it. So it does come with this little puff thing right here, and I like the fact that it also comes with a mirror. And then the actual product is this one right here. I don't know if this is going to be my shade, to be honest, but hopefully it will. But it feels really good. And that's the swatch right there, and then I'll just swatch it right here. Obviously you guys can't see that, but it feels good, you know, so I'm excited to try this out. I'm gonna definitely do like a wear test probably on this to let you guys know what my first impressions is on this product and give you guys a good review in my own with my own personal experience. Very excited that I finally was able to grab this shade. Alright, so I purchased another Essence blush just because I know you're gonna love the other one, and again this is the Essence the blush. Okay, so I got the shade Befitting, and this is more, I would say more on the dark, not darker, but more mauvey than the other one. I'm gonna give you guys a side-by-side comparison so you guys can see if I can open this. This is what the Befitting looks like. You guys can see that. And then Beloved is again more on the rosy side. So you guys can see a side-by-side comparison. So this is Beloved right here, and this is Befitting. So I'm gonna swatch Befitting next to Beloved and show you guys what they look like side by side when swatched. I don't even know which one I used, but that's what it looks like. And then Befitting is right here, and then Beloved is right here. So I like both of them, but very excited that I purchased both of these. I have actually this one in my everyday makeup drawer. I'm excited I have this one. So another repurchase that I have is this one from Essence, another Essence product, and this is the Lash Princess Volumizing Mascara. This is definitely one of my favorite mascaras because it does give my lashes that false lash look, and this is what the mascara that I'm wearing right now. I absolutely love this. I definitely am happy that I got another one because again this is one of my favorites. To be honest, between the Sky High mascara from Maybelline and this one, I would definitely prefer this one because this is not as dry as Maybelline. I don't know if that's supposed to be a much drier formula, than the formula is much drier than what I'm used to. So I really love this one. Definitely recommend this, and again this is an affordable product. Okay, next thing in the cart that I purchased, or next thing that I ordered from my Ulta haul, or from my Ulta order, is this one from Catrice, and this is the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Sprays. I actually heard a lot about this from Kathleen Light, and she used this so much, and I've heard so many great things about this. I love anything that's dewy in terms of primers, foundation, and setting sprays. Very excited about this, and this is another affordable product. So let's just see what the mist is about. Oh, it smells good. It has a little bit of a scent to it. It's not too overpowering, but it does have a little scent. So if you guys are sensitive to scent, I just want to warn you guys. But I'm excited that I got this because I've always wanted to try this, and I've heard nothing but great things about this from everyone. Alright, so the next one that I got from this Essence a lot of Essence products. So this is from Essence, and this is the Essence Stay in Lip Line. Alright, so I got the shade Because Duh, and this is just like a everyday nude shade, and I think I've tried an Essence lip liner before, but nothing along this line right here. So this is what it looks like. It is retractable, and then I'll swatch it right next to the thing. Ooh, it's very creamy. You guys can see that. It's like right there. This is going to be perfect for every day, but it's also going to be perfect for the upcoming fall season, which honestly I'm so ready for it. So I don't know about you guys. Let me know if you guys are ready for fall, because I most definitely am. The last thing in this bag is actually something that was a total steal. Right? Such a great deal, you guys. And I was actually very happy that I found it, or that I saw it, because I have always wanted to try pretty much all of these products in this set, but mainly for one of the products. This is the Benefit Beauty Queen Blowout, and this is normally this is an $87 value, and I bought this for I believe less than $40. No, I didn't pay like $39 for this. So it said the suggested retail price is $39, but and this normally would all retail for $87, but I did pay for this for $29.99 for all three of these, and these are all full size. So it does come with the Benefit Cookie Highlighter, which this is the product that I've always wanted to get, and I never got the chance to do so. And then it comes with the Bad Gal Bang Mascara and the Professional Primer and the glowy one, I believe. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys what each of the products look like. Guys, I'm so happy that I got this, because I have been wanting this for so long. This is what the Bad Gal Mascara looks like, and then the wand of this, actually I don't remember seeing this. Oh, it's very long. So the wand of this is very long, and it's like not hourglass, but I don't know. I don't know the description, but that's what it looks like. It's a good shape, and I believe it's gonna hopefully give me volume and length. So excited to try this. I actually like the packaging of this. It's like a soft felt touch to it. Very excited. And then it also comes with the full-size Professional Primer. Oh, it's thundering out. This is the Hydrating Face Primer to minimize the look of pores. And again, this is full size. This is another one that I have wanted to try for so long as well. And I actually have the original one, the pore filling one, but not the hydrating one. So very excited. Like I said, I love anything that will give me a luminous look. Very excited about that. I'm so glad I have this ring light, because it's about to rain and it's getting dark, and I really wanted to film this video. But anyway, the last one in that set is the Cookie Highlighter from Benefit, and this is another product that I have wanted to get for so long, and my 14-year-old daughter actually also wanted this, so maybe for Christmas, but for now we're gonna share. And this is normally like almost $40, close to the $35 range. I don't think I've ever tried a Benefit highlighter before, but I've always wanted to try this one. This is what it looks like. It comes with the little brush, which I'm probably not gonna use, and then comes with this little thing right here, and then here is the actual product. I like the fact that it has a mirror in it. Let's see if I can show you guys without blinding you, but that's what it looks like right there, and I'm excited for this. So I'm gonna give you guys a little swatch. It was really good. Ooh, you guys, that is stunning right there. You see that? So cool. I'm gonna swatch it right here. So you see that right there. It is so gorgeous. I'm so excited to have this in my collection, because again, like I said, I have always wanted this, and I'm so glad that I have it. And again, that was a really great deal for all three of them for less than $40. So good. Sorry you guys hear the thunder. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the last three products that are in this Dollar General bag. My husband works in Dollar General, so I asked him to pick these three products up, and these are all from Wet n Wild. Alright, so I did get a repurchase of the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Translucent Setting Powder. This is also in my everyday makeup drawer. If you guys have not seen that video, I will have that linked down in the description box below, but it's just basically a drawer filled with all of my everyday necessities in terms of makeup products for the next 2 months. It's something that I just started. But anyway, this is the packaging and this is what I use to set my entire face, and it does a great job at not transferring the makeup product onto my mask. Very happy that I purchased this, and again I bought this from Dollar General. And then the last two things that I purchased were these two lipsticks from Dollar General. This is just from Wet n Wild, and these are just the Wet n Wild Catsuit Mega Lash lipstick. One of them I've tried before and the other one I haven't, and I actually did change the packaging. You guys can see that. It has like a little lip symbol right there. It's so cute. So this is the shade Bare It All, and this is just a nudie shade right here. This is the shade that I've actually purchased back when they had the old packaging, and I absolutely loved it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch it in the back of my hand. That is what it looks like. It's just a pinky nude shade, perfect for every day. And again, these are like matte, but they also have like a creamy feeling to it, and it's so good. And then the other shade that I purchased was this one. This is Mochalicious, I believe, and this is more of a darker brown shade. That's what it looks like. And then I'll swatch it for you guys. Another one that is so perfect for the fall. Absolutely love this. I cannot wait to wear both of these, but I'm so happy that I got both of these shades because they are, again, like I said, they're matte, but they're not drying. They're super creamy. Very excited, and I absolutely love the packaging. So cute. Alright guys, so that is it for my makeup haul. Not that much, but that's a good thing because I actually have not done a haul here in my video or in my channel for a while now, and that's a good thing because that means I'm not spending as much as I should be. I did need a few things like repurchases, so most of these are repurchases and some of them are new, and then some were just on sale that I definitely took advantage of, especially that Benefit set. It is so good, and you know, you think it was, I actually had to reread the entire description like 5 times to make sure that the product in that set were full size and not trial size, because sometimes when they do have sales like that, it's a trial version or a travel version, but these were full sets, and it's such a great deal, you guys. Hope you guys were able to take advantage of that sale because it was a really great sale. That completes this video. If you guys have not done so already, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and join my YouTube fam, and also hit that notification bell so you guys never miss out on any of my future uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend, for it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave.